How's everyone doing? You guys having a good day so far? All right, thank you for joining me for math today. Okay, we are going to, the last couple times we've started with mental math, but today we're going to start with our number of the day, and then we'll do something kind of like mental math after, okay? All right, so let's start with our number of the day. I'm going to start with my bundles of 10, and you ready to count with me? Here we go. 10, and 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Sorry, there you go. All right, so we have 60. We have our 6 bundles of 10. Let's count on by ones now. So 60, 61, 62, 63. Okay, that was our old number, 63. I need to count on. I need to add one more. So 63, 64. All right, so let's look at those. How many ones do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. All right, so my number of the day is 64. Let's look at that with our tens frames. Okay, so we have, let's go ahead and let me get my marker. And let's count by our tens. Ready? We're going to do it again. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I need to add another 1 over here. So let's go ahead and now count on by ones. 61, 62, 63, 64. All right, what do I need to do next? I need to make my tallies. Okay, so let's come down here. I'm going to add another tally right here. I don't have to bundle it yet. I'm just going to add another one. All right, so now I should have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 ones. So let's look at that number 63. I'm going to have to change that, huh? So I have 4 ones. So up here I need to change my 3 to a 4. And then if we look at our bundles of 10s, let's see. Hopefully we still have our 6 bundles of 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can keep that 10 up here. So when I write the number 64, this is what it looks like, a 6 and a 4. 6 10s and 4 1s. And then if we want to count them, the quick way with our tallies, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. All right. Okay, you know what's next. Go ahead and get out your hundreds chart if you have it. We are going all the way to 64. All right. Here's my chart. I'm going to mark 64 on it. It's a lot of jumps, huh? We can do it. All right. You ready? We're going to start all the way up at 0, counting by ones. Do you think it's a little bit easier to count when we have our tens frames? It's a little quicker, huh? Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're going to keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's do it in a little squeaky voice. Ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, let's do it in a big voice. Ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, we're going to go fast now. So make sure you're at 40. We need to come all the way over. Let's jump back all the way over here. Now we're going to do it a little faster. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. What are you at? 50, me too. Okay, where do we need to go? All the way back over. We're going to go kind of fast again. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I'm at 60. How many more jumps do I need to get to 64? See if you can figure that out. I'm at 60. How many more do I need to get to 64? All right, let's come all the way back over. Ready? 61, 62, 63, 64. So my question was, when we were at 60, how many more did I need? I needed 1, 2, 3, 4. I needed 4 more jumps. All right, thank you for counting by ones with me. You can go ahead and erase your boards or put those down. I will put mine down. And then what you can get out next, if you would like to, Usually the last couple of times we've done some mental math, and I said mental math is where we're just thinking in our head. This is where you're going to just think in your head too, but I am going to show you some of the numbers, okay? So you actually don't really need to do anything or write anything right now. I'm going to write, but I want you to just think in your head, okay? So I'm going to show you some numbers, and then you are going to count on from the number I show you, okay? So it's going to look like this. All right, so here's my first number. My number is 8. So you are going to count on. Ready? 8. All right, what did you say? I'll say it out loud. Ready? 8, 9, 10. So you're still just doing it in your head, but I'm showing you what number this time. All right, here's your next one. Okay, so what's going to come next? Ready? So put this number, say this number out loud. What is it? 6. And then let's count on. 6. All right, we'll do it out loud. 6, 7, 8. Is that what you got? All right, good job. And remember, you don't need to be writing these. You're just saying these out loud. Okay, here's your next number. Okay, what number is that? Okay, let's count on. 9. Okay, let's do it again. 9, 10, 11. Good. All right, we're going to keep going. Here's your next one. Okay, 2 more numbers you're counting on too. Surprise, here's your number. What number is that? That number is 13. So in your head, we're counting on from 13. Ready? 13 comes after 13. Okay, I'm going to write it down. So 13, what's next? 14, 15. So if we're counting on in our heads, 13, 14, 15. Good. We're going to do one more counting on, and then we're going to count back. Okay, what number is this one? 17. Okay, so what are you going to do next? 17. All right, what's it going to be? Ready? 17, 18, and 19. Okay, good. Now, this time, when I show you the number, we're going to count back, okay? All right, so you're thinking in your heads. Now we're going backwards. Okay, so I gave you this number, and now we're going to go back. So here's our number 4, so let's count back. 4, what comes right before 4? 3 and 2. Okay, so do it with me. Ready? 4, then what? 3, 2. Did you get that one? Okay, so do you see how we're going to do these ones now? Instead of counting up, we're going back. All right, here's your next one. You ready for it? Here you go. All right, what's it going to be? So our number is 6. We need to count back. So I have 6, 5. What comes right before 5? 4. All right, so count back with me again. Ready? 6, 5, 4. One of the ways to check these, if you're thinking, I think that's right, what we can do now to check it is we can count up and see if that makes sense. So when I start at my 4, does it make sense to say 4, 5, 6? Are those numbers in order? Yes, so then we go, oh, well then I counted back accurately or correctly. So you can always count back up and see if it makes sense, okay? All right, here's your next one. Okay, close your eyes. I'll tell you when to open them. Close them, close them, close them, and open. Okay, there's our number 9. We need to count back. So ready? 9. Okay, now do it with me. Ready? 9. Then what? 8, 7. Okay, let's say it together. Ready? 9, 8, 7. And then let's check it. Let's see if this makes sense. If we count 7, 8, 9, does that make sense? It does. All right, I'm going to give you one more. Here's your challenge one. Ready? Hopefully this one doesn't trick you. This is going to be a trickier one. Okay, close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. I'll tell you when to open. Ready and open. Okay, what number is this? This is 18. So you need to think, what number comes before 18? 18, what is it? And what's before that? Okay, we're going to do it again. 18, 17, 16. All right, good job. Okay, then let's check it. So if we start at 16, 16, 17, 18, and that makes sense. So we got that part right. All right, good job. Thank you for counting on and counting back. All right, here's the next thing that we are going to do. I'm going to turn my camera for you and show you my whiteboard again. And today we're going to do we're going to look at some more word problems. In your math book today, there isn't a page to go with this lesson. So you're just going to need a piece of paper and you're just going to do it on paper, okay? All right, so we're looking at more word problems, but today we're coming up with our own. We've been working on that a little bit, right? Coming up with our own word problems. And I think it's easiest to do our addition word problems where you're adding some more. Sometimes the ones where you're taking them away or subtraction are a little tricky. So we're going to practice those today. So if you have a piece of paper, all you're going to do, because we're going to do two of them, you're going to just take a line and divide your paper in half. So you have two parts. You have the top part and the bottom part because we're going to do two different story problems, okay? And right now you can do this with me or you can just watch and then try and make your own after. Because like I said, there's no pages in your math book, so you're going to have to do your own anyways. So you can just watch me right now if you want. Okay, so when I'm coming up with my own word problem, here's what I'm thinking. I have a tree, and in my tree, I have some apples, okay? I had they're blue. Apples aren't really blue, but that's just the marker I had, so that's okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in my tree, I had 6 apples. But then it got really, really windy, and some apples fell to the ground. So I had 1, 2, 3. I had 3 of my apples that fell to the ground. So now, how many do I still have left in my tree? Do you see which ones are still left in that tree? How many do I still have left in my tree? Show me on your fingers. How many do I still have left that didn't fall to the ground? All right, so if you're showing me 3, you're right. But what we need to do is we need to think, how am I going to make this into a number sentence? All right, well, here's the thing. I started with, how many total apples did I start with? I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 6 apples that I started with. That was part of my number sentence. Now we have to decide, did I add more apples to this tree or did I take some away? Did some fall? These ones fell, right? So am I taking those away or am I adding more to my tree? I'm taking them away. So when I show my number sentence, I need to use my subtraction sign. I'm taking some away this time. I'm not adding them. I'm taking them away. How many did I take away, or how many fell to the ground? There were 1, 2, 3 fell to the ground. So then I go, well, how many do I still have left? How many did I still have left in the tree? Well, we looked up here and I had 1, 2, 3 left up in the tree. Okay, so when I'm writing or talking about my number sentence and I'm doing a subtraction one, I'm taking things away or things are falling down. So I had 6 apples in my tree, 3 fell down, and then I had my 3 left over. So that would be my subtraction number story, okay? All right, I'm gonna do another one. This time, I was outside playing, and I saw, let me show you what I saw. I saw some cute little cats, okay? So I saw, takes me just a sec to draw them, so hold on. I'm just kind of sketching them quick. I saw 1, 2, 3, almost there. I saw 1, 2, 3, 4. I actually saw 5 cute cats when I was outside playing, okay? But then something happened. Let me draw one more. That little guy kind of looks like a spider, huh? But these are my kittens, okay? So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cats. But then something happened and 2 of them got scared and ran away. I don't know if the wind came up or they heard a loud noise, but these 2 right here went, ah, and they ran away. So how many cats do I still have left? Well, if these 2 guys got scared and they ran away and I don't see them anymore, how many do I still have left? I still have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when I look at that for my number sentence, when we're writing our subtraction number sentence, I have to think about how many I started with. So how many cats did I have all together? I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to start with my number that I had total. I had 5 cats. But then what happened? 2, got scared and ran away. So I need to do my subtraction sign again. This time I'm not adding them. I'm not bringing more. I'm taking some away because 2 ran away. So I need to use my subtraction sign. How many ran away? My 2 ran away. Well, then how many do I have that are left over? I have 1, 2, 3 that are left over, or that are still there that didn't get scared. Okay, so your task right now is you are going to do, I did 1, 2. Your task is going to be to try and do 2 number sentences, but using subtraction, okay? And then you can share those with your class or with your teacher. They're a little bit trickier than our addition ones, but you just have to remember things are going away, okay? Or you're crossing them out. Okay, and then after you do your 2 number sentences, your 2 story problems, remember you got to put your pictures and the numbers too, okay? After you do your 2 story problems, then you're also going to look in your math packet, and you have the one that says Tuesday, January 12th at the top, and you have some pages in your math packet to do as well, okay? So you have really 2 different tasks, your math page and your, oops, sorry, you can't see that, your math page and your story problems. There is no page in your math book today, so if you try and look through your math book to see that one, it won't be in there. So don't even look in your math book today, okay? You can just look at your packet and use a piece of paper. All right, you guys, thank you for listening, and good luck with your story problems. I think they'll be fun. You can use anything you want in your story problems. It's all for your imagination and what you would like to think. All right? Okay, have a good rest of the day, you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.